Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lala. Welcome to Resilient and Blessed. Today I'm coming to you to show you all the goodies that I got from SheaMoisture. Did you know they have makeup products? I think you knew that, right? They have everything from makeup, skincare, hair care, baby care, men hair care, everything you can think of, they have it. In one of my Shea boxes, I received a couple of items from their makeup line, and this is one of them. This is the Ocean Glass Wet to Dry palette, and I love this palette because it's very universal. You can do a lot of different looks with it, so you can get a lot of different looks with just this one palette. So I feel like this palette is perfect for traveling, or if you're on the go from work and you're trying to go out and look cute for a little party or whatever. This will be perfect to do a day to night look. I also received a mineral bronzer, which is in the color Cinnamon, and I feel like this color is perfect for all skin types, especially women of color, because you know the reddish orange colors are perfect for our skin tone. It really gives us a healthy look, so I love this. And then I have the Mineral Sheer Glow, which I use as my highlight today, and it gives me a nice subtle but yet poppin' highlight, and I really love it. It's really pretty. It's like a rose gold color. It's called Sparkling Rose. And then I also got this mineral blush, which is called Peach Coral, which is also a nice color to go with any makeup look. Then I got an eyeliner, which is in gold. It's very, very nice and pigmented. It's perfect to go on the inner corner or just to highlight a look. And I also got this lip crayon. It's nice and thick and creamy. And then I also got one of their luminous lipsticks, which is a nice peachy pinkish color, and it's nice and creamy as well. Very moisturizing. I'm wearing right now, along with a brown lip liner. And they also have a mascara. It does give your eyelashes a little bit of length, and it also darkens the eyelashes, so I really like it. One thing I did not like about it was the smell, but other than that, it worked perfectly for my look today. If you're interested in this makeup look, which is really simple, then please keep on watching the tutorial because it's easy to follow and you'll look cute by the end of this video. Alright, so thank you so much, and make sure you get your hands on this palette. If you'd like any information on the SheaMoisture products for beauty, hair, makeup, whatever, please check down below in my description box. I'll leave them linked below. You can find these beauty products at your local Target, Walgreens, or even SheaMoisture.com. and Ulta, you know, everywhere. So be sure to check that out. These eyeshadows in this palette are very highly pigmented. Just with one swipe, it's very, very pigmented. You do not need a lot of product to get your eyes to look nice and vibrant, so that's definitely a good deal. Any additional face makeup that I applied, you can check the corresponding videos to that, which will be linked above in the corner or down below in the description box, like my foundation routine. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new, welcome, 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 because new videos are coming right up. And please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a few people if you'd like. And I'll see you guys in a new video coming up next. Thank you so much to SheaMoisture. See you guys later. Bye.